Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making Easter bunny bark. Easter is right around the corner, so this is the perfect treat to make right now. For this recipe you are going to need some white chocolate candy melts, some colored candy melts. I'm using blue, pink, and purple. You'll also need a piece of parchment paper, whether it's from the roll or a pre-cut sheet like the one I have. You'll need an offset spatula to swirl the chocolate. You will also need some treats to put on the chocolate bark itself. So I'm using Cadbury mini eggs, Easter M&Ms that are really pretty, and some mini marshmallows that are flavored and delicious, and some green, blue, pink, and yellow sprinkles, and also some bunny peeps. And I bought these icing decorations, I believe from Michael's, and they look like carrots. They're super cute. I'm gonna take a second to give a shameless plug. If you like what you see, if you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And also subscribe to our channel. I would so greatly appreciate it, and let us know in the comment section what you want to see next. So the reason I said cookie sheet optional is because the candy melts will harden pretty quickly, so you don't really have to worry about a mess. I am using a cookie sheet for convenience. So I'm going to start with step 1 by placing my white chocolate melts down on my parchment paper, and then I'm going to follow that with my different colors, and I'm going to space them around so that they kind of cross each other, but we're not mixing them together. They're just kind of layering on top of each other, so when we swirl the chocolate, it will come out to kind of like a nice marble effect. Once all of the candy melt layers are kind of layered on top of each other and around each other and are looking really cool and kind of marbly, I am going to take my offset spatula and start kind of mixing them and swirling them to make a really fun and pretty Easter design. You want to make sure you don't mix them too much because you will come out with a sort of muddy color. You want to just swirl until you get to the look that you are going for. So that's what we're doing here. Now that you have your chocolate candy melt swirled to your liking, you want to start adding all of your delicious sweet treats and toppings that we talked about before. I'm going to add some pink bunny peeps, some carrot icing decorations. Like I said, I believe I bought these at Michael's. You can probably get them at any craft store. Even Walmart might have them in their baking section. They're so cute. They add an extra element to the bark. I'm also going to add my Cadbury mini eggs, M&Ms, mini marshmallows. I could go on and on and on, and some sprinkles and all of those delicious things. So let me continue placing all of these treats, and then when we come back I will show you a little bit of an extra step. Now that you have placed all of your delicious sweet treats on your chocolate bark, you may choose to refrigerate it or stick it in the freezer for about 10 minutes. You just want it to kind of firm up so that when it comes time to break the chocolate bark, it is much easier for you. I'm going to take a little bit of an extra step and melt some candy melts, put them in a Ziploc bag, and then just snip the tip really tiny so that I get a really thin stream of chocolate. I found that the pink candy melts got a little bit lost when I was mixing and swirling my base of my chocolate bark. So this is a really easy fix. You just melt some extra pink candy melts and then kind of swirl them all around your bark, and it gives it a little bit of extra texture, a little bit of extra pizzazz, as they say, and it's going to look even better. So that is a great fix if you do find that one of your colors is missing from the base. Now that your topping is dry and the base has been in the freezer for about 10 minutes, you want to start breaking it up, and I'm going to do that and then come back and show you the finished product. Now that the chocolate bark is all broken up, you just want to place it on a plate or a platter for Easter Sunday. I'm sure kids and adults will love this just the same. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you loved it, please give it a big thumbs up. And also please subscribe if you would like to see more. Thank you guys so much and have a happy Easter.